Even at 80, you can still make her smile. Here's how. Let's whip up a simple natural energy mix that's been trusted by men for generations. Step 1. Ginger Power Press. A small piece of ginger using a garlic press. Get all that juicy goodness out. Ginger boosts blood flow and supports healthy testosterone. It's your natural fuel. Step 2. Garlic Gains. Now, crush 1 clove of garlic. Real men don't fear flavor. Garlic is rich in allicin. It improves circulation and reduces stress hormones. Less stress, more action. Quick break. Tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to know. Step 3. Mint Magic. Add a few fresh mint leaves. It calms the nerves and keeps your mind relaxed. Remember, a calm mind equals better performance. Step 4. Basil Boost. Drop in some basil. It's loaded with magnesium, supporting hormone balance and a healthy libido. Plus, it smells amazing. Step 5. Lemon Lift. Take half a lemon, peel it and chop it into small pieces. It's rich in vitamin C, fights fatigue, and boosts dopamine, your motivation molecule. Bonus, the scent of lemon lifts your mood instantly. Step 6. Lime Twist. Add a small slice of lime. It aids digestion and gives a refreshing, tropical vibe. Tastes like vacation. Step 7. Mash and mix. Mash it all together. Release those nutrients and juices. These ingredients together, a powerful, all-natural performance booster. No pills, just plants. Step 8. Sweeten naturally. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, packed with amino acids and natural energy for hormone support and stamina. Step 9. Liquid Gold. Pour in 15 ounces, about 450 milliliters, of mineral water. Stir it well. Boom, you've just made your daily dose of clean, natural energy. For focus, vitality, and confidence, anytime you need it. Drop a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. See you next time.